here from Upper Empire Motors, and I'm with
Rodney from Evo 61 Wheels.
Ooh, nice to meet you, man. So this is a really nice Porsche. How long have you had it?
I've had it since 2016.
What would you say is the favorite feature on this car?
The wheels that I made for it, because I own Evo 61 wheels, so I can machine, design my own wheels.
All right, thanks for your time, bro.
Thank you, man.
Here with
Galvin.
Calvin. What is the biggest red flag car color?
I'd say red.
Red? Why red?
I don't know. I guess it just cops are magnetic. Yeah.
Okay. Red is not a good color. All right, thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we're here with Richard. What did you bring today to the car show?
So today I brought my Nissan GTR R35s.
I'm gonna do a rapid fire questions here.
Okay.
JDM or Euro?
JDM.
Static or bag?
Static.
Horsepower or looks?
Horsepower.
Supra or Skyline?
Skyline.
Manual or automatic?
Manual.
Wide body or sleeper?
Sleeper.
Underglow or no glow?
No glove.
Tint or no tint?
Tint.
All right, this is he's a real car guy, bro. These are some good answers, bro, because I would answer the same thing. All right, thanks, bro.